name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this LG oven. The customers complains this front right element stays red hot, it never goes down, it does not go on low. And this is the switch. I'll show you how to fix this today. This is the oven, and first of all I'm going to show you the model and serial number here. The unit is made in July 2022. It's only 2 years old, and the customer only got problem with this element. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on high. So now I have to go low on it. See, low. It still stays solid red hot here. It does not make a difference. On these units, the model and serial I show you, 95% of the time it's the switch itself that's defective, and I will show you the part number for the switch. This is the switch, and this is the switch the way it looks. Pull the unit out. I usually use a sheet to protect the floor so it slides out smoothly. Another design I didn't like about this oven is, in order to replace any of these switches, you have to take this panel off, which is normal. You see it in a lot of ovens, but on this particular oven you also have to take the screws off on the bottom panel, which is extra work. I still got flexibility here. There's one screw right there. We can take this off a little bit and then lift up this panel. And here's the switch that was overheating. See, it's burned from here. Once you take this infinite switch out, you can uninstall the new one, and it goes in this position. It only goes one way. This connector, I'm gonna have to cut this and make a new one. If you don't install a new one and you kind of bend this, fix it, and reattach it back in, the switch is gonna burn again because of the loose connection. So it's very important, please change this. If you cannot change it right now, when you're replacing the switch, do not use the switch. Go buy this connector from home hardware somewhere and cut this, split it open, and then rewire it back in properly. This hangs right here, and then after that you can work here. All the screws are the same. If you screw on this side, you cannot see the hole. Push this panel with your fingers like that, and then it lines up. See that? And then you have to add your screw. See, I have it on low. I turned it off. It wasn't happening before because of this switch burned.